Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's a really amazing news for our viewer. In the rainforest near Cooktown, a green tree ant can trigger its own ambush. Yeah, the ant bites what looks like a small silk cone near the forest floor, and in that instant, the trap fires, flinging the insects upwards into a waiting web. Because researchers have documented a newly recognized spider from northern Queensland that appears to hunt with rare precision. Yeah, the small nocturnal spider uses a spring-powered silk snare to catch one prey species at a time, and the aggressive green tree and Ocophylla samargadina in what they describe as the ultimate specialization. Because the spider has been nicknamed the ballista spider after the ancient Roman launcher that hurled bolts or stones. It has not yet been formally named, but it belongs to the genus Propostera. Professor Greg Anderson, a biomedical research scientist who is also a spider taxonomist and photographer, first observed it. Here's a detailed account of the spider's hunting method and web mechanics appears in current biology. To understand how the trap works, lead researchers Professor Ajay Narendra of Macquarie University and postgraduate student Pranab Joshi spent 10 days and nights in rainforest near Cooktown in far North Queensland, and they searched for the spiders, watched their behavior and filmed the attacks with high speed and infrared cameras. Because the fieldwork mattered because ant hunting is dangerous. Ants are not passive prey. They can defend themselves chemically, summon nestmates and overwhelm predators through numbers. Because it's very unusual for a spider to feed on ants because they are notoriously dangerous, and even more busier to find a spider that eats only one particular ant species, said Professor Narendra. Bears ants have a range of chemical defenses, including the ability to sting in some species, and they use alarm signals to rapidly recruit hundreds and even thousands of other ants as backup to overcome potential predators. By day, the ballista spider hides beneath a leaf above places where green tea ants are foraging. After dark, it drops 50 centimeter or more to create an anchor point on a leaf branch or the forest floor, and it then spends as long as 4 hours building vertical bundle of 15 to 60 silk tension lines shaped into a cone close to the ground. The final step turns the structure into a weapon. Yeah, the spider wraps the cone in a thinner silk and quickly climbs back upward. Soon after, a green tea ant is drawn to the trap, attacks it, and bites the cone loose from its anchor point. And that bite releases the stored tension. The ant is launched more than 30 centimeters upward into the spider's main web pattern. Accelerations about 1300 meters per second squared. The spider does not rush in immediately. It waits until the ant is trapped in silk, then approaches and wraps it. Then this exclusive report.